Hey, what's going on, guys? All right, so you used your mower all of last season. It fired up every single time. It mowed beautiful. It was a great thing, right? And then this season, after it's been sitting in your garage or shed or wherever for all these months, you go to fire it up and the damn thing won't start, right? All right, so the first thing you want to do before you call your buddy, before you take it to the shop, before you go into panic mode, get yourself a can of something flammable. I have this carbon choke cleaner. Get yourself this, get yourself a can of starting fluid, just anything flammable. And then you need to locate your air filter box. So let's go find the air filter box. All right, on this specific lawnmower, the air filter box is right here. This is a Craftsman with the Briggs & Stratton engine. This applies to any mower. So locate your air filter box, take the cover off, then take your air filter off. In your air filter box, find that hole. That's where your carburetor's throat is. So what you need to do is spray your flammable juice in there. Just a couple shots. Doesn't need much. Just spray a couple. Just a couple shots is what it should take. Now it's time to fire it up. So that should get you going. If it doesn't, if your mower's not running, then that means that you got something else that needs to be addressed. Maybe the carburetor needs a cleaning, or check your fuel lines, make sure you have spark, compression, all that stuff. But before you do any of that, try that. And I'll guarantee you that all your carburetor needs is a little jump start. That's it, just a little jump start to get the fluids rolling, and then you'll be back in business. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.